Hello guys, welcome to the English Easier with Eric. In this video, you will listen to some daily English conversations in different situations and places. Definitely, you will learn useful vocabulary, phrases and improve your English speaking and listening skills. Let's take a look.
Comparing prices and products. Alright, we need to grab some food for the week. Do you want to start in the produce section?
Yeah, that sounds good to me. Let's take a look at the prices and see if we can find any good deals.
Good idea. These apples are $2.99 a pound. Do you think that's a good price?
I'm not sure. Let's check the other brands and see if they're any cheaper.
Okay, here's another brand that's $2.49 a pound. It's not a huge difference, but it might add up if we buy a lot.
Yeah, let's go with that one. Do you want to grab some bananas too?
Definitely. These ones are 59 cents a pound. Do you think we should get the organic ones instead?
I'm not sure. Let's compare the prices and see if it's worth it.
Okay, these organic bananas are 99 cents a pound. It's quite a bit more expensive, but they might be healthier.
Let's just stick with the regular ones for now. We can always get the organic ones next time if we want to.
Alright, sounds good. Let's move on to the dairy section. Do you need any milk or cheese?
Actually, I'm thinking of trying a new brand of almond milk. Have you tried this one before?
No, I haven't. Let's compare the prices and see if it's worth trying.
Okay, this brand is $3.99 for a half gallon. That's a bit more expensive than the one we usually get.
Maybe we should stick with the one we know for now. We can always try the new brand next time.
That's a good idea. Let's grab the usual brand and move on to the next section.
Discussing what to buy with friends or family.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game.
I was thinking of going shopping later. Do you want to come with me?
Yeah, that sounds fun. What are you planning on buying?
Well, I need some new clothes for work, but I also want to get some groceries and maybe some decorations for my apartment.
That sounds good. Maybe we should make a list so we don't forget anything.
Yeah, and we should also set a budget so we don't overspend.
That's a good idea. I was thinking of setting a budget of $100 for myself. What about you guys?
I think that's reasonable. I only need to get a few things, so I'll set my budget at $50.
I'm in the same boat as Jason, so $50 works for me too.
Perfect. Let's make a list and then head out. Is there anything specific you guys are looking for?
Not really, I'm just here for moral support.
Same. But maybe we can all help each other pick out some things.
Sounds like a plan. Let's get going.
Sharing shopping experience with friends or family.
Hey, I just got back from the grocery store. Do you want to hear about my shopping experience?
Sure, I'd love to hear about it.
Well, I went in with a list, but I ended up getting a few extra things. I found some good deals on produce, so I got some extra fruits and veggies.
That's great. What kind of produce did you get?
I got some apples, bananas, spinach, and peppers. And I found some really nice avocados that were on sale.
Nice. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yeah, I did. And I actually found a new brand of almond milk that I wanted to try, so I got that too.
Did you have any trouble finding anything?
Not really. I did ask a store employee for help finding the spices, but other than that it was pretty smooth sailing.
Well, it sounds like you had a successful shopping trip. Thanks for sharing your experience with me.
No problem at all. It's always nice to catch up and share stories.
Researching products and prices online. Hey Rachel, I'm planning on buying a new camera. Do you have any recommendations?
Yeah, I recently bought a new camera too. Have you tried researching online?
No, I haven't. I usually just go to the store and pick out the first one that catches my eye.
Well, that might not be the best approach. There are so many options and features to consider. You want to make sure you get the best camera for your needs and budget.
That makes sense. Where do you suggest I start?
I like to go to websites like B&H Photo and Video or Adorama. They have a wide selection of cameras and lenses, and the prices are usually competitive.
Okay, I'll check those out. What about reviews?
Reviews are important too. You can go to Amazon or Best Buy to read customer reviews, or check out websites like DP Review or Imaging Resource for expert reviews and comparisons.
This is all great information. I feel like I have a better idea of what to look for now.
Glad I could help. And don't forget to compare prices and look for deals before you make your purchase.
Thanks, Rachel. You're a lifesaver. Making decisions about what to purchase. Hey Emma, what do you think about this dress? Should I buy it?
Let me see. It looks nice, but do you really need it? You already have so many dresses.
I know, but this one is different. It's perfect for summer and the color is really pretty.
I see your point, but you should think about whether you'll actually wear it enough to justify the cost.
That's true. I don't want to waste my money on something I won't wear.
Exactly. And don't forget to consider the quality and durability of the dress. You want it to last more than one season.
Good point. I'll take another look at it and see if it's worth the price.
And don't forget to check your budget too. You don't want to overspend and regret it later.
Yeah, you're right. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for your advice, Emma.
No problem. Shopping can be overwhelming, but it's important to make informed decisions and only buy what you really need and love.
I agree. I think I'll put this dress back and keep looking. Smart ways to improve your speaking skills.
Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight.
And that's it for today's English lesson. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and we'll do our best to respond. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future English lessons. And if you want to take your English learning to the next level, check out our channel more often. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next English lesson.